Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question, and it says Mang Ruben has only an 11-liter can and a 5-liter can. How can he measure out exactly 7 liters of water? Show your step-by-step solution and explain briefly the steps. So first of all, he's going to fill the 5-liter completely. He's going to pour it into the 11-liter can. Then he's going to fill the 5-liter can again. Okay. Then he's going to carefully pour the water from the 5-liter can to the 11-liter can till it is full. Since the 11-liter can is now full, there will be 1 liter of water left in the 5-liter can, because 5 plus 4 equals 1. So that's 1 left in the 5-liter can. Okay. Then you're going to fill the 5-liter can completely again. So fill 5-liter again. Then you're going to pour the water from the 5-liter can into the 11-liter can, which already has 1 liter in it. And now the 11-liter can contains exactly 7 liters of water. So I hope that this video helps. This is a teacher signing out.